Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to give you a quick little update on CKB. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, with this particular project, you can see you've got this double M top pattern just there. Key level support, which was lost for this particular project last month. And you can see we came down, ran into resistance, and then we've come back down. Okay, so you know this particular pattern, they do have targets. I'm going to show you right now. The technical target of this pattern is roughly from there to there, and you can see you lost this support. So it looks as though you're coming down for a retest of this low. Now, does it mean it's 100% going to get there? Of course it doesn't. But what you're looking at, for me, a minimal target would be the 1618 fib, and you can see that that is my target right now. 0.003080 would be an entry point for me on this particular project to ride it up in this next move that's going to come. I personally think it's going to come anyway, but again, nothing I say is financial advice, because what I think we've got here, looking on the monthly, is some kind of big one. This is a 2 coming back to the 1, the formation of 1, and then you're looking at a big explosive third wave for this particular project, then a pullback 4, and then a 5 basically of the next upcycle. So this is an amazing project, CKB. I think that this could be, you know, nothing I say is financial advice, but you know, in the previous correction and pullbacks, there's always opportunity. Okay, there was always opportunity. It never feels like opportunity. Obviously, you know, you're coming down, it feels awful, but for me that would be a massive entry point for me down there on the 1618 fib just there. It has actually bounced off the 1414. You're currently toying with trying to get back up to 1272, but for me, I think that what you're doing right now, you're almost guaranteed to come to that 1618. I think that what we might do here for crypto is rally into resistance and then have one last rug pull towards the end of the year right here, and this could be your low on this particular project in true capitulation, where it will be an amazing entry point to ride it back up in the next upcycle and up to this third wave. Well, where's that third wave going to go to? Well, for me, your third wave is always the most impulsive, okay, and most explosive. So let's say, for example, you're looking at a minimal 1618. Okay, you're looking at a minimal 1618 target. That's all the way up there at 23 cents. So if I drop a line in just there for that particular project and drop that third wave up there, and you're going to have a wave 4 pullback, potentially almost touching that, okay, and then you've got your big fifth wave, which will take you up higher, potentially to your 2 fib, all the way up at 65 cents. So this is something that I'm looking at for this particular project. You've got your 1, you've got your 2. Now, for this to be valid, you have to hold this low that you put in November 2020. Okay, that's a key low. If you start to lose that, then you can see you're creating a reversal wave, and you're no longer retracing this big ABC correction that the CKB is going through. Look, it's an A, this is a B, this is your C leg, and I think that the 1618 is the target. But within the waves, you have subsets of waves. So I think that what you've done, you've come down and you're rallying into resistance, and then you're going to come down again. Basically, is what I think we're looking at here for this particular project. The 1618 is my entry point. You know, over the next few months, at the end of the year, I'm looking to load up on this, because I think the next impulsive move out of here for this particular project is huge. It's from here to here. You're looking at a minimal 7,518%. You know, and like I said to you, millionaires are made in these corrections. You know, and buying in the depths of despair and blood is where you come out laughing on the other side. You know, been here, done that, wore the t-shirt. It doesn't feel like opportunity, but as long as you hold this key support, this is going to be opportunity going forward. Okay, so this is your absolute rock solid support right now. Lose that, negative, and I don't know where the low is, to be honest with you, but hold it right now in this retracement that you're going through. You could be looking at a beautiful upcycle here. In the next upcycle, you could be looking at some appreciation for this particular project going forward. Okay, so that's basically CKB. It's looking good for the next upcycle. That's what I'm trying to say to you. After this correction is over and done with, and we start to bottom out and we start to come back up the stairs, I do think that that's what we're looking at. Okay, but again, nothing to say is financial advice. Everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on CKB. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.